Good morning. So this is the setup, and we are leaving from Thane. We are heading towards Rishikesh. So I'll try. It's already late. It's 7:30 on the clock right now. I have to reach at least till Modasa or Udaipur today. We'll see how it goes. I'm hoping the weather will be kind. Alright, glory to Hanuman. Here we go. Okay, so we have finally hit the road. Alright, sorry. So we have finally hit the road. We're starting out from Majivada, Thane, and we'll try to cover as much distance as possible. We'll be taking the much dreaded Ghodbunder road today. I have no other option but to take the same route, as I have to head towards Ahmedabad via Baroda. So the thing is, since I'm late, it is very difficult, almost unlikely for me to reach Udaipur today. But you never know. If at all I get tired or other circumstances, I might take a halt at Modasa, or I might take a detour and go to Ahmedabad just for the night. I'd prefer staying in Modasa or somewhere closer to the highway. It's better that way. But we'll see.
A few moments later.
Okay, can't make this shit up. First traffic jam, and we are hardly reaching Gaimukh at Ghodbunder Road. Amazing. Sunday morning. I hope the bus driver is kind enough to let me slide through. Yes, he is. Thank you, God. So we are finally out. We have started on the way to Ahmedabad. And yes, I got stuck there for a while. It took me 40 minutes to clear the Fountain Junction. Now I'm back on the road, and I'm hoping I'll reach Surat by 10 o'clock, which is where I'll take my first break. But of course, I'll be stopping before. I'll be stopping somewhere close to Navsari to fuel up. I think I have enough fuel till I reach Gujarat border, and I'll join you back once I have reached there. Wow, look at this mess. Unfucking believable. It's 12 in the noon. I have stopped here for food. I am close to Surat somewhere. The roads have been good enough, better than expected. 4 lane tar roads, but I still have to make up a lot of lost time. I have only managed to cover 250 kilometers so far, 4 hours of riding, and I intend to reach Ahmedabad today. Ahmedabad or Modasa, if all goes well, then maybe Udaipur. But let's see. Right now, I've just stopped for a quick snack. Not going to eat a heavy lunch. It's already very hot out here. It's close to 38 degrees now. So I am having a Surti egg ghotala, it seems. Yes. No, I wanted to have something that would come fast, and the restaurant said this is the best thing you can have right now. I know it's hot, and eggs in this weather, it can't help it. Man needs his proteins. So I'm back on the road again. I just stopped for a quick brunch. I am in Surat at the moment. The roads are much better than expected, but in few patches up until the Maharashtra border the roads are bad. But once you enter Gujarat, and there's this place called Atul. Once you cross that, it is amazing. It's tar roads. I remember doing the circuit back in 2023, and I did that in peak monsoon in July, August, I guess, yes. And the roads were pretty good at that time, even in Maharashtra. But now they have, I don't know, I guess they did some white layering and uprooted the tar, and concretization happened, and the surface is uneven, and it's not fun to drive on. Traffic situation is bad here, especially I'm passing through a lot of industrial area. I'm guess it is going to be like this till Baroda. What actually delayed my trip in the morning was poor traffic management at Ghodbandar. But there is nothing we can do about it, just cope. And then that one place where the trailer got stuck under the bridge. Like seriously dude, I don't really think the police can do anything in that. Worst part is the driver left the trailer right there and he left. He's gone. Nowhere to be seen. That had caused like a good stretch of 2-3 kilometers of traffic. But today I'm hoping I should reach Udaipur by late 8:30 or 9 in the night. I do not intend to travel that late. I'll be taking a route via Modasa. If I find a good hotel there, I might stay there for a night. I will not push myself to Udaipur. Although Udaipur is a very nice place, I've stayed there before, and it would be easier for me tomorrow, because tomorrow I intend to end the day at Jaipur. But let's see. I have started from Surat now. It shows, yes, it is showing at least 9 hours riding, which I'm pretty sure will be a little more than that, considering I'll be stopping for breaks. But good tar roads here. I would anyway prefer to have a tar road instead of a concrete, because eventually the surface becomes uneven and it is very difficult to ride. It becomes uncomfortable. There are constant jerks and noise. So I have crossed a place called Wasad. No, I did not take the usual Halol Godhra route. Once I crossed Baroda, I took the road that takes you straight to Ahmedabad Anand, and from there I took a detour. I took a right from under the bridge, and I've taken the internal state highway. I was blindly following the maps I had put, but this road seems nice. It's single lane, but there's tree cover. Oh, there's shade, and okay, you may not be able to speed a lot, but that's fine. It still shows that I can reach Udaipur by night, 9 p.m. I have to be a little careful on the turns. Since this is an internal road, the people will be a little lax. But this road will take you to Modasa directly. So anyway, and I had taken that route before, the Halol Godhra wala route, and it passes through Godhra city. And to be honest, I don't want to do that again. There'll be traffic. Today being Sunday, pretty sure there'll be traffic. I'm doing 80 at the moment, and there's not much traffic on the road. Now, there are a few places along this highway, a few hotels good enough for one night stay in Modasa and in Udaipur. My plan is I want to find a place to stay that is very close to the highway. I don't want to venture into the city because I don't plan to stay in Udaipur for long. Although it's fun, I've been in Udaipur before. I've stayed there in a hostel, but this time I don't think I want to do that. I have to catch the road as early as possible tomorrow and reach Jaipur. Matter of fact, I want to chill in Jaipur tomorrow, so I want to leave from Udaipur as early as possible, but I'm guessing that won't be till 7:30 or 8. I don't want to rush because I need my rest. Today has been a little tiring. Okay, so we have to take a right from here. And okay. Oh, this Kapadao-Ganj is that place from where we'll have to take another right. Up until that place, it's straight.